Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Fiverr community using Fiverr. So first of all, open the Fiverr application. Now click on this message icon. On the top, select new group or community. Here, add the people whom you want to make the community of. Select the people. Now hit on this icon. Here there's the option of group chat and community. Select community. Here in this section you can name anything for the community. After that, click on this tick button at the top right. So now your Fiverr community is created. So this is the easiest and fastest way to create a Fiverr community. Thank you for watching.